Hey guys, so let's say you're on your Disney vacation and you've decided today's going to be your resort day. What can you do? We're here at Disney's Polynesian Resort, and we're going to show you all the options of different fun things you can do while staying here at the Walt Disney World Resort. So here at the resort, there's tons of different things. So there's a pool party daily from 2:15 to 3:15 at the lava pool. On the great ceremonial house lawn, which is where we just were. They've got Ohana challenges, lawn games, Aloha Before Dark, trivia on the Tiki Terrace, video game dance party, and even movies under the sun. So tonight, they are actually showing Hercules, which is one of my personal favorites. And they also have equipment for cornhole, ping pong, sand toys, and volleyball upon request. And then, of course, they do have the fitness center here, which is from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now, what's cool is that all Disney resorts do this. Doesn't matter if you're staying at All-Star Movies or at the Polynesian. All of them have fun activities for guests staying at the resort. Now, you might say, Bridget, like we're used to eating in the parks. Where can we eat? So let's show you a couple of the different food options. And across the way, we have the Kona Cafe. Now, you can get Kona Cafe to go if you aren't staying here. Or if you're staying here and you want to eat here, you can totally eat here as well. They typically do breakfast or dinner. I will leave the menus down below as well. And it is a great option, especially if you're a big fan of tonga toes. So although Ohana is not open, the lounge behind me, which is the Tambu Lounge, is open. It's not open at this very minute, but it is open on afternoons and evenings. And the Tambu Lounge is a great place to get a drink and a pineapple. And who doesn't love that when you're on vacation? And just behind me is Captain Cook's. This is the main quick service location here, and they've got plenty of options. So we're actually going to head into Captain Cook's and have some lunch. So I haven't eaten here in a long time, but these portions are huge. So we have the Thai coconut meatballs and then the pulled pork nachos. I don't know how we're gonna finish all this food. So this is the pulled pork nachos with spicy mayo, cheese, pico de gallo, and pineapple. And this was like $9.49. And we have the Thai coconut meatballs with white rice, and these are also $9.49. And if you want a place to get a sweet treat at any point during your time, you pick it up at Pineapple Lanai. They have Dole Whip, they've got Dole Whip floats, all different types of things. If you're looking to do some shopping on your day off, look at Moana Mercantile for some fun gifts. So if you're looking for Moana or Stitch merchandise, this is your place. As you can tell, Stitch out the wazoo. They even have a tie that has Stitch on it. Super cute. And if a day at the pool interests you more, most resorts here have not just one, but multiple pools. For example, here at the Polynesian, you have the lava pool, but there's also a quieter oasis pool down just a little bit further down. And what beats a pool view with a view of Cinderella Castle? There's even different boats and different water sports you can do down here at the marina. So this is the Seven Seas Marina. They've got boats you can rent, water sports you can do, lots of fun activities. So if you're having a resort day at your Walt Disney World vacation stay, don't be worried about having nothing to do. There are so many things going on at each of the resorts on property. Even if it's not the Polynesian, even if it's All-Star Movies, they're still gonna have a ton going on. Just remember to ask at the front desk when you check in if they have anything, and just look around the resort for different signage like I showed you guys earlier. But leave any questions or comments you have down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along with me on my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. And this is Bridget Spas.